craft room. In today's video, I'll be doing a lighted centerpiece, and here is our supplies. I pick up this charger plate from the Dollar Tree. I was actually looking the silver glitter. Could I find any, guys? I couldn't find any. So what we're gonna do what we're gonna do, we have some stickers here. These are from the jewelry border stickers, jewel border sticker from Crafter Square. We have, I believe I picked these up from either Burlington or Ross. I have them a good while. I wanted to give them a makeover. Okay, then we have these candle pillow stand, and look what I picked up. I picked up this Rust-Oleum glitter gold. So I'm gonna try it on this since I couldn't get my glitter charger. So I'm gonna see how this work out. So I'm gonna spray this and I'll be back. All right, so in the meantime, the charger plate is drying. We're gonna bring out these lights. I'm not gonna remove this from it. I'll show you why. I found the act for it. So all I'm gonna do is probably put some around the edges right here. Yeah, we'll do this. I mean, I can take this out and then put it back, right? They come with battery. They come with 3 AA battery. Okay, can you close back? I can probably take this out and see, they come with, and this will come with AAA battery. I guess I don't know where the bottom of that went, but anyway, we're gonna move on. And it's on a timer, so it come on by itself at night. Okay, put some down here. It's gonna go on my table. And we're gonna make a pattern. We're not gonna do all of it. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we start with 10. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 1. I have 6-pack. I don't know how much I'm gonna use, but I have 6-pack. Okay. And that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now I probably put down here, put some down here. As well. All right, so we have something looking like this. Isn't this pretty? Just simple and elegant. Okay, we're gonna do the same with this one. So I'm gonna finish and then come back. Alrighty guys, so we have something looking like this, huh? Okay, now that's done. Let's see if I don't believe I want to bling out the bottom. Reason being, if I want to change out the bottom. So I'm not gonna glue the bottom down. I use some two-sided tape. I pick up some two-sided tape from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna try it out and see if it works. Alrighty, so now that's done. Let's go see if the tray dry as well, and we move on. Alrighty, so it doesn't look like the Dollar Tree one because it's giving me a flat look. It's not giving me a sheen. The Dollar Tree one has a sheen in it, but this is what it looked like. I don't know if you can see it. It's real flat, but we're gonna work with it. I wonder if I put some Mod Podge over it, if it give it a sheen, No? Maybe so? Anyway, we're gonna move on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the same gem at the corner edges of the charger plate. This is an easy, simple and easy DIY. Wow, it's really dull, really dull. You know, the Dollar Tree have a sheen, Leave me in the comment, guys, what I should have I'm sorry, put over it to give it a sheen. Drop me a comment. and let me know for future reference what would I put in it for to give it a sheen, eh? I probably should just go in it and put on some silver glitter in it. Do I have silver glitter? I should have silver glitter. See? Easy squeezy lemon peasy. And that's it. And it doesn't shed either. That's nice. You know the Dollar Tree one be shedding like crazy. Yes, ma'am. It doesn't shed. But that's it, eh? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on display. Just like that. Oh, the act that I want to tell you. I'm gonna put in 3 AAA in one of the candle slots. Not all 3. With me keeping, see, I showed you this, it's empty. See, this one is empty. So to save me some batteries, what I did, guys, I don't know why you guys don't want to close. Golly, no wonder I couldn't find the button for this, huh? I don't know if this one is working, but I'm gonna change the battery anyway. So what I did is just put 3 batteries in the smaller one. I guess it would work with either one. I guess it worked with either one. And then I turn it on and all 3 light up. I don't know if, yeah, you can see all 3 light up because I didn't remove the socket from these, and if I turn it off, all 3 turns off. So instead of me putting battery in all 3, I just put battery in 1 and they all work, huh? So now I don't have to waste all that battery. So I'm gonna put it on display. I mean, this is what it's gonna look like. I'm gonna put some I'm gonna find some I say I'm gonna get some 2-sided tape and put down the bottom so you see that they don't fall, and get some gemstone and put down here as well to hide the cords. But I'm saying, look at that, I don't have to waste all that battery. Alrighty, so I'm gonna put this on display so you all can see. Alrighty guys, so this is the finished look, huh? The fair lights them a little bit pale. I don't know if because it's the one battery using all 3, but It's not looking bad. Alrighty. So this comes to the end of my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Turn the notification bell on so each time I upload, you know it, you'll be the first to know. And for my new subscribers, thank you for joining the Queen of the Craft Room. Huh? And for my old subscribers, you know you're the real one. Until I catch you in my next video. Ciao.